Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just gonna do a simple spot cock roast chicken. Yes, I'm gonna season the chicken and then put it in the oven to roast. Now I already went ahead and removed the backbone from the chicken. Yeah, I will put a link to a previous video I uploaded showing you how I do that and how I season the chicken. Now I went ahead and washed the chicken with lime juice to remove the slimes. You can use vinegar, you can use all-purpose flour as well, and some people use lemon. So I removed most of the fats as well, but I leave a little fats here and there just to help the chicken to keep moist in the oven while it is baking. But most importantly, I remove the slimes and everything like that. So basically I clean up the chicken properly. So now I am gonna season the chicken. This is a 3-pound chicken, freshly plucked. So I'm gonna season the chicken and then put it in the fridge to marinate until I'm ready to put it into the oven. So I'm gonna make a spice blend using a few spices. So I'm gonna use a little bit of onion powder. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna gauge it. Gauge, instead of saying eyeball. Overseas they say eyeball. In Jamaica it's gauge. So I'm gauging it. Right? So that's onion powder, some all-purpose, and you know that it's chicken, so chicken can absorb all the seasoning, so there's no such term as over seasoning chicken. This is chicken season. Lorry's seasoned salt, some body a complete seasoning, paprika. Alright, so this should be okay to make the paste. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to make the paste. So now I'm gonna season the chicken with salt. So I'm gonna flip the chicken and also give a little salt around here as well, just lightly. It's okay if you do not want to put salt because they're using the spices. That's okay for you, but it's not okay for me because salt adds flavor to food. So it's too much is the problem if you use too much salt, right? I like to rub garlic all over the chicken. Now I'm gonna add some of this the paste. And if you want, you can wear a gloves. garlic right here. So kind of slant it so that it fits properly.